Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today in this video, I am going to explain the chapter number 21, which is branches of medicine. So let us start. Given below are some branches of medicine and the particular area they deal with. Can you match them correctly? So here are the branches of medicines are given, and on the another sides the area with which they deal. So you have to match them correctly. So let us start with the first branch of science or branch of medicine which care for infants, children and adolescents. That branch is pediatrics. Okay, the second one is study of bones and its diseases. The name of branches which deal with bones and its diseases, that is orthopedic. Third one is study and treatment of mental disorders. The branch which deal with this, that is psychiatric. Fourth one is diseases of the lungs and the respiratory system. The branch of science which deals with the lungs and the respiratory system, that is pulmonology. Okay. Fifth one is study, diagnosis and the treatment of cancer and the other malignant diseases. Okay. In this branch of science, they deal with the cancer and other malignant diseases. That branch of medicine is oncology. Sixth one is diseases of the kidney, that is nephrology. Seventh, blood and its diseases, that branch is hematology. Eighth one is endocrine glands and hormones. The branch is endocrinology. Treatment of the organs of digestion. The branch is gastroenterology. 10th, diseases of the heart and cardiovascular system. So this branch deals with the heart and the diseases related with the heart. Okay, and heart is also called cardiac system. Okay, that's why the branch which deals with this, that is cardiology. 11th one is medical care of elderly. The branch which deals with this, that is the geriatrics. 12th one is the skin and its diseases. The branch which deals with these kind of things, that is dermatology. Okay, for all these words having the logy, logy behind this, logy means study. Okay, let's move towards the next chapter. The next chapter of discussion is chapter number 22, that is artificial satellite. The first question is here, what is satellite? Satellite is a body that is placed in an orbit, okay, around the heavenly body, means around the planet, okay, like moon, earth or any other planet. So what is artificial means? Artificial means the thing which is made by man. So here artificial satellites are made by man. He makes them and launches into the orbit using the rockets. Okay, artificial satellites are launches into the orbits of other planet with the help of rockets. So what is the purpose of artificial satellite? For what purpose they are launched and settled in the orbits of other planets? Artificial satellites help in long distance communication to collect information about weather, pollution, etc. Okay, artificial satellites help us in long distance communication and to collect information about weather, pollution and many other things. So let us start. So the picture given here shows some artificial satellites. Identify them and write their names. You can take help from the clue box. So here are pictures of some artificial satellites are given and you have to identify their names with the help of descriptions. Okay, so let us start with the first one, that is the first satellite launched by the US on April 1, 1960 to transmit television images from space. Okay, this is the first satellite which is launched by the USA, means United States, on April 1st, 1960 to transmit television images from the space. The name of the satellite is TIROS 1. The second is the first communication satellite launched by India on April 1975. Okay, this is the first communication satellite which is launched by India on April 19 and 1975. The name of the satellite is Aryabhat. Third one is the first Indian military satellite launched by India on August 30, 2013. Okay, and this is the first Indian satellite for military purpose, which is launched on 30 August 2013. The name of the satellite is GSAT 7. Next is the first commercial communications satellite placed in geosynchronous orbit on April 6, 1965 by the US. Okay, and this is the first commercial communication satellite, okay, which is placed in the geosynchronous orbital by the US on 6th of April 1965. The name of the satellite is Intelsat 1. The first satellite with radio transmitter launched by Russia on October 4th, 1957. This is the first satellite which have a radio transmitter and which is launched by the Russia on October 4th, 1957, and the name of the satellite is Sputnik 1. It is communication satellite of India configured to carry a total of 48 communication transponders launched on December 7, 2014. Okay, and it is a communication satellite which is launched by India, but what is importance of this satellite? It carried total of 48 communication transponder which is launched on the 7th of December 2014, and the name of the satellite is GSAT 16. Okay, dear students, all these satellites are important because they are the first to launch in the respective field. Like this is the first satellite which is launched by the US to get television images from the space. This is the first communication satellite launched by India, and this is first Indian military satellite launched by India. This is the first commercial communication satellite which is launched by the US, and this is the first satellite which have the radio transmitter, and that this is a communication satellite launched by India. But is importance of this satellite, it carries 48 communication transponders. Okay, and you have to prepare this chapter very well because question will come in any format, like name the first commercial communication satellite of India, and the second question may come in which year the first communication satellite launched by India. So question will come in any format, you should be ready for that. Okay, now here it is time. Did you know the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA? So the question will come, what is the full form of NASA? The full form of NASA is the National Aeronautics and Space Administration is the United State government agency that is responsible for the civilian space program and aeronautics and aerospace research. Okay, NASA is a US based agency which is responsible for the space programs, okay, or aerospace research. Okay, students, now we will move towards the next chapter. The next chapter of discussion is chapter number 23, that is human body. In this chapter we will read about some interesting facts related to the human body. So let's start. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the clue box. You have to fill the blanks, you can take the help of the clue box. So let's start with the first one. Beside helping us to hear sounds, our internal ears also help us to keep our dash. Okay, so in addition to hear, the internal part of ear help us to help us to maintain our balance. The second is the bones that gives shape to our body are mainly made up of calcium. The color of our skin is due to the presence of this. Okay, the color of our skin is due to the presence of a pigment, and the name of the pigment is melanin. The red color of the blood is due to the presence of dash. Again, the red color of blood is due to the presence of a pigment, and the name of the pigment is hemoglobin. The main control center of our body is our dash. You all know the main control center of our body is brain. When we sweat, our body dash down. Okay, when we sweat in the summer season, the body cools down. The temperature of our body lowers down. The organ that throw out carbon dioxide from our body are our dash. Okay, that is lungs. R dash protects our internal body parts from dust and germs present everywhere around outside. Okay, and this is the body part which protect our internal organs from dust and germs, and it is present everywhere around outside. That part is skin. There are about dash muscles in our body which are responsible for almost all kinds of movements that our body shows. So there are 650 muscles in our body. About 60% of our body's weight is due to dash only, that is water. Our 60% of weight is contributed by the water. The next is value based knowledge, that drink more and more water because it will keep you healthy. Next is, did you know dash control the chemical reactions in our body? So in our body so many reactions are going on, so that reactions are controlled by the enzymes. Okay, and enzymes control dash reaction in our body, that are the chemical reactions. Again, question will come in any format, you should be get ready for that. Okay, so next chapter of our discussion is chapter number 24, that is father of science. Okay, the first question is here, what does father mean? Okay, father is an honor which are given to people who made first significant contribution in any field. Okay, in any field related to science. Okay, father is an honor which is given to a people, which is given to a person when he give a significant contribution in any field of science. So let us start. Father of geometry is Euclid. Father of psychology is Sigmund Freud. Father of computer, you all know Charles Babbage. Father of Indian chemistry. Okay, and this person give important and significant contribution in Indian chemistry. So that's why he is regarded as, or he is honored as, father of Indian chemistry, and the name of the person is P.C. Ray. Father of medicine, Hippocrates. Father of genetics, that is Gregor John Mendel. Father of homeopathy, that is, so father of homeopathy is H. Hahnemann. The next is father of botany, that is Theocritus. Father of nuclear physics, that is Ernst Rutherford. Father of railways, that is George Stephenson. Father of immunology, that is Edward Jenner. Father of buoyancy, that is Archimedes. Father of atomic bomb, that is Julius Robert Oppenheimer. Father of biology is Aristotle. So here one more question is, did you know Charaka is known as the father of Indian medical system? So dash is known as the father of Indian medical system, that is the Charaka. Okay, dear students, with this we have covered all the chapters, so read it well and prepare well for your exams. Take care. Thank you.